To install the app on your iOS device, start by visiting the App Store and searching for xMatters. Tap on the app and install. After the app is installed, open it and you'll see a prompt to enter your xMatters host information. Your host name is your company name followed by .xmatters.com. If you're logged into the xMatters desktop, it's easier and faster to log in using the QR code. On your xMatters desktop, go to the My Devices page and click Add Device, Mobile App. In the mobile app, tap on Log in with QR code. Give xMatters access to the phone's camera and scan the QR code displayed. That's it, you're ready to go. If you want to add another account to this device, you can open the menu and select Accounts. You can only be logged into one account at a time, but you can toggle between multiple accounts on a single device.